Hello everyone. Big relief is coming for consumers with the GST cut and RBI's credit momentum. Both fiscal and monetary policies are now moving towards a consumer led push rather than just capex driven growth. The government's sign is, I think, a pretty clear cut. They are moving from a capex led growth to a consumer led growth. This looks like a clear win for consumer staples and consumer durables products like ACs, washing machines, refrigerators. But let's break it down a little bit more. Quarter one is already past and it's way behind us. And if we look at quarter two, that's July, August, and September, the recent quarter which we are going on, this could be tricky. And you might ask why. Because companies will naturally wait for the GST cut to kick in and before making big purchases, because they would still wait for the October month to arrive. And once it arrives, then the pent up demand might start. That means companies may face sluggish demand and pile up of inventory during quarter two. And let's not forget, who really wants to buy ACs or heavy durables in the rainy season or during the time of winter. So the real game is, it begins in October. That's when the festive season uh, starts, and pent up demand would obviously start from that month. And GST cuts create a sweet spot for consumer spending. Quarter 3 therefore has the potential to outpace quarter 1 and quarter 2, and I think quarter 3, quarter 4 obviously, because of the credit momentum that would shift from quarter 3 to quarter 4, or rather continue from quarter 3 to quarter 4. So quarter 3, quarter 4 would be a better quarters as compared to quarter 1 and quarter 2, creating a much stronger demand cycle. So yes, while the near term may see some noises, pressures, the government's move is, I think, smart here. In this case, it has created a platform for consumers to go ahead and start purchasing just by giving a support through fiscal and monetary policies. Companies will see obviously volume picking up, the pent up demand might be strong, and the company and the economy will shift gears towards consumption growth. And yes, if you like the content, please do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.